Manjaro Linux is a modern, user-friendly Linux distribution that aims to bring the power and flexibility of Arch Linux to a much wider audience without requiring advanced technical knowledge. To understand Manjaro properly, it helps to start with its roots. Manjaro is based on Arch Linux, a distribution well known for its simplicity, minimalism, and rolling release model. Arch Linux gives users complete control over their system, but it also expects them to manually configure almost everything, which can be intimidating for newcomers. Manjaro takes the Arch philosophy and softens its rough edges by providing a pre-configured system, graphical installers, and sensible defaults, while still preserving the speed, freshness, and customization Arch users love. When you first encounter Manjaro, one of the most noticeable aspects is how approachable it feels compared to many other Linux distributions. Installation is straightforward and guided by a graphical installer that walks users through language selection, time zones, keyboard layouts, disk partitioning, and user creation. This installer, known as Calamares, is intuitive and polished, making it possible for someone with no prior Linux experience to install Manjaro in under half an hour. Unlike Arch Linux, which requires command line installation and deep knowledge of Linux internals, Manjaro focuses on reducing barriers and making Linux accessible. Manjaro follows a rolling release model, which means that instead of releasing major versions every 6 months or year, the system is continuously updated. Once you install Manjaro, you never need to reinstall it to get the latest version. UPDATEs bring new kernels, desktop environments, software versions, and features as they become available. This approach ensures users always have access to modern software without waiting for the next big release. However, rolling releases can sometimes be unstable if updates are pushed too quickly. Manjaro addresses this by introducing a unique update system with different branches: stable, testing, and unstable. Packages from Arch are first tested in Manjaro's unstable branch, then move to testing, and finally reach the stable branch after additional verification. This extra layer of testing greatly reduces the risk of system-breaking updates. Another defining feature of Manjaro is its hardware support. Linux has historically struggled with hardware compatibility, especially with proprietary drivers for graphics cards and wireless devices. Manjaro simplifies this by offering automatic hardware detection and driver installation. During installation or after first boot, Manjaro can detect whether your system uses NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics and recommend or install the appropriate drivers. This is particularly helpful for gamers and users with laptops that rely on proprietary drivers for optimal performance. The Manjaro Settings Manager provides a graphical interface to manage kernels, drivers, language packs, and system settings, reducing the need for terminal commands. The desktop experience is another area where Manjaro shines. Manjaro is available in multiple official editions, each featuring a different desktop environment. The most popular ones are XFCE, KDE Plasma, and GNOME. The XFCE edition focuses on speed and efficiency, making it ideal for older hardware or users who prefer a lightweight system. KDE Plasma offers a highly customizable and visually rich environment that can resemble Windows or Mac OS depending on configuration. GNOME provides a clean, modern, and minimalist interface designed around productivity and workflow. Beyond official editions, the Manjaro community maintains many other versions with desktops like Cinnamon, MATE, LXQT i3, and others, giving users an enormous range of choices. Manjaro's default configurations are carefully designed to balance usability and performance. For example, power management settings are tuned to work well on laptops, helping extend battery life. Fonts, themes, and icons are chosen to look modern and professional right out of the box. Unlike some distributions that feel bare after installation, Manjaro provides a complete working environment with essential applications pre-installed. This typically includes a web browser, file manager, media player, Office suite, and system utilities. Users can start working immediately without needing to search for basic software. Software management in Manjaro is one of its strongest points. Manjaro uses Pacman, the package manager from Arch Linux, which is known for its speed and simplicity. Pacman allows users to install, update, and remove software using straightforward commands. But Manjaro also offers graphical package managers for those who prefer not to use the terminal. Tools like PAMAC provide a clean graphical interface to browse, install, and update software. PAMAC also supports Flatpak and Snap packages, expanding the range of available applications beyond traditional repositories. One of the most powerful aspects of Manjaro is access to the Arch user repository, commonly known as the AUR. The AUR is a massive community-driven repository containing thousands of packages that are not available in official repositories. These packages are contributed and maintained by users, and they cover everything from niche utilities to popular proprietary applications. With Manjaro, accessing the AUR is easier than ever, as PAMAC can enable AUR support with a simple toggle. This means users can install almost any Linux software imaginable with minimal effort. While the AUR does require some caution, as packages are not officially vetted, Manjaro's tools and documentation help users understand best practices for safe usage. Performance is another area where Manjaro excels. Thanks to its lightweight base and efficient package management, Manjaro tends to feel fast and responsive even on modest hardware. Boot times are generally quick, applications launch rapidly, and system resources are used efficiently. Users can choose from multiple Linux kernels through the Manjaro Settings Manager, allowing them to select the kernel that best suits their hardware and stability needs. This flexibility is particularly useful for advanced users who want the latest kernel features or need an older kernel for compatibility reasons. Security in Manjaro is handled through regular updates and upstream patches from Arch Linux. Because of the rolling release model, security fixes are delivered quickly, often faster than in fixed-release distributions. Manjaro also benefits from Linux's inherent security features, such as user permissions and process isolation. While Manjaro does not enable some advanced security features by default to maintain usability, experienced users can easily configure firewalls, encryption, and additional protections as needed. Community and documentation play a vital role in Manjaro's success. The Manjaro community is active, friendly, and supportive, with forums, chat rooms, and social media channels where users can ask questions and share knowledge. The official Manjaro forum is particularly valuable, offering guides, troubleshooting advice, and announcements about updates. Since Manjaro is based on Arch, users can also benefit from the extensive Arch Wiki, which is widely regarded as one of the best Linux documentation resources available. Even though some Arch-specific instructions may need minor adjustments, most concepts apply directly to Manjaro. Customization is a core strength of Manjaro. Users can tailor almost every aspect of their system, from the appearance of the desktop to low-level system behavior. Themes, icons, fonts, window behaviors, keyboard shortcuts, and startup services can all be modified to suit personal preferences. Advanced users can dive into configuration files, while beginners can rely on graphical tools to make changes safely. This flexibility makes Manjaro appealing to a wide range of users, from casual desktop users to developers and power users. Manjaro is also a strong choice for developers. The rolling release model ensures access to the latest programming languages, compilers, and libraries. Tools like Git, Docker, Python, Node.js, and various IDEs are readily available through official repositories or the AUR. Developers can easily set up environments for web development, software engineering, data science, and more. Because Manjaro stays close to Arch Linux, many developers appreciate the clean system structure and the ability to build a development environment exactly the way they want. For gamers, Manjaro offers an increasingly attractive platform. Linux gaming has improved dramatically in recent years, thanks to technologies like Proton and Vulkan. Manjaro makes it easy to install Steam, Lutris, and other gaming tools, and its driver management simplifies the process of getting optimal graphics performance. Many users report excellent gaming performance on Manjaro, often comparable to or even better than other Linux distributions. The rolling updates ensure that users get the latest Mesa drivers and kernel improvements that benefit gaming. Despite its many strengths, Manjaro is not without drawbacks. The rolling release model, while convenient, does require users to stay informed and apply updates regularly. Skipping updates for long periods can sometimes lead to complications. Additionally, while Manjaro's extra testing layer improves stability, it can occasionally cause delays or inconsistencies between packages. Some critics also argue that Manjaro's handling of updates and infrastructure has faced challenges in the past. However, for most users, these issues are minor compared to the benefits Manjaro provides. Manjaro's philosophy centers on empowering users while respecting their time and experience level. It does not force a particular workflow or design philosophy, instead offering choices and flexibility. Whether someone wants a simple desktop that just works or a deeply customized system built from the ground up, Manjaro can accommodate both. This balance between ease of use and advanced control is one of the reasons Manjaro has gained such a loyal following. As Linux continues to grow in popularity, distributions like Manjaro play an important role in bridging the gap between beginner-friendly systems and advanced, do-it-yourself platforms. Manjaro introduces users to concepts like rolling releases, package management, and system customization in a way that feels approachable rather than overwhelming. For many people, Manjaro serves as a stepping stone to deeper Linux knowledge, while for others, it becomes their long-term operating system of choice. In everyday use, Manjaro feels stable, fast, and polished. Tasks like browsing the web, editing documents, watching videos, and managing files are smooth and reliable. The system stays out of the way, allowing users to focus on their work or entertainment. At the same time, the underlying power of Arch Linux is always there, ready to be tapped when needed. This combination of simplicity and strength is what defines Manjaro. In conclusion, Manjaro Linux is best described as an accessible gateway to the Arch Linux ecosystem. It combines modern software, strong hardware support, user-friendly tools, and deep customization options into a cohesive and enjoyable experience. Whether you are new to Linux or an experienced user looking for a flexible and up-to-date system, Manjaro offers a compelling balance of convenience and control. By focusing on usability without sacrificing power, Manjaro has established itself as one of the most popular and respected Linux distributions available today.